How to blur faces or objects in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your CapCut. Click on New Project, and then select the video that you want to blur faces or objects in, and click on Add at the bottom. Go ahead and click on Overlay. Click on Add Overlay, and then select the same video, and click on Add. So make sure to align it directly over the video. So if the thing that you want to blur is visible throughout the video, then you can just leave it like this. If it's only available in part of the video, go to the part that you want to blur, and then click on Split. Select up to which part you want to blur it, and then click on Split again, and then remove the rest of the video by clicking on it, and then selecting Delete. And do the same for the first part of the video. Next, click on Effects, click on Video Effects, click on Lens, scroll down, and you'll see Blur, so select Blur, and then click on this tick mark at the top. So drag it over to which part of the video that you want, click on Object, click on Overlay, and then select the tick mark. Next, go back by clicking on the arrow, go back again, click on your overlay, scroll until you see Mask, and then click on Mask. So select the outline of your blur, if it's a circle, rectangle, whichever shape you want, and then select the tick mark. So you can drag it where you want to blur it. So if I'm blurring this tree over here, then drag the size, and then click on the tick mark. So you can see it has now been blurred. So if the object that you're trying to blur isn't moving, then you can go ahead and export it. If it's moving, go to the part where you have to move your blur, then click on the keyframe icon next to undo. Scroll over to which part you need to move it, and then click on it again. Select this part, scroll over, click on Mask again, and move it to where you need it for that part of the video. Click on this tick mark, and do the same for the rest of the video. So when you play it, you can see that it has been moved. So this is how to blur faces or objects in CapCut. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.